Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to Hugging Face LLMs in N8N. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log it in. Then, click on the Add First Step button. Now, search for Hugging Face in the search bar and click on it when it appears. Next, click on Select Credential and then click on Create New Credential. Here, enter your API key from your Hugging Face account. You can get this key from the Hugging Face website after logging in into your profile. Then, click on Save to link your Hugging Face account with N8N. After that, enter the model name you want to use like GPT-2, Facebook/bar-large-CNN, or any other model available in Hugging Face. Now, add option in the drop-down menu based on the type of request or input parameters you want to send. Then, go back and review your setup. Finally, run the workflow to check if Hugging Face is generating responses as expected in N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.